Good morning. Hello YouTube. I'm walking back from doing the school run and I thought I would jump on in a different outfit. She's wearing a shirt. Woo! It's a glorious morning. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and I've got my little dog friend here making me smile. There have been so many beautiful colour plants that I've managed to stop and take some photos of on my way back home. I'm really lucky where we live, the area where we are. The vibrant plants are just popping this year due to the warmth and the sunshine, and it's amazing. I'm going to head home. Coffee is needed, so it feels like it might be an iced coffee kind of morning. And then I've got loads of things to do. I've got an exciting call booked in about an hour, which again is part of the try new things and push yourself drive that I'm on. So hopefully that will be really interesting and give me some ideas on how to move forward. So I've just got home after doing school drop-off. We had a bit of a morning and I've made myself a lovely black coffee. So it made me smile this morning because I thought, isn't this what we would usually see on YouTube or the internet or Instagram, any of your social media? Shall we do a bit of reality? Because although this workbench, whatever you call it, breakfast bar is there and relatively clear, guess where it isn't? Not clean, clearly. Mummy needs to tidy this up. But look at the chaos here. Ah! Dishwasher to unload, dirties to put in, all that to unstack. Does this happen to everybody's pans? This is my lovely Our Place one pan, and one of my, somebody I follow on Instagram, not sure I can call her a friend, but somebody I follow on Instagram we have chats with, has got the Aldi one, which she said was obviously a lot cheaper, and she said it's so much better because this one, oh my goodness, does this and then the inside as well. Look what happens to the inside, and we just hand wash it. Does this happen to anyone else? So frustrating because I love the size of it and also the colour, that kind of black charcoaly. But yeah, not cool, not good. What are you doing? Hello, you crazy puppy. Hello. Do I need to hoover in here now? You my good boy. You a good boy? Do you want some treats? Treats? Oh, Papa. Naughty boy. Had to jump on and share. Oh, crazy hair. No, not just my crazy hair. How excited and positive and energized I feel after a conversation with an amazing woman who's had a fantastic career, super interesting, and done so many fun things, varied things, really intelligent and really passionate, enthusiastic. And I just had to share how much it's lifted me up and built me up. Sometimes you think, which way am I going? How do I pivot? Where do I head next? And sometimes you get given exactly what you need, don't you? And the universe just steps in and says, here you go, try this. Let's send you in that direction. And yeah, just feeling really good. Right, let's crack on with some work. smell in here is incredible. I think it's orange and sandalwood floor cleaner for wood by Ecover. It's incredible. Forgive the chip nail varnish. Right, let's clean this floor. Okay then, confession time. When I ordered the Ecover, I didn't mean to order the one that went in the bucket. As we can see, this is a spray and refill mop. So yeah, makes the convenience, well, it takes the convenience right out of it, to be honest. But this mop is actually fantastic. Cheapy from Amazon, but I love it. Swivels around, you take off the mop heads and just put them in the wash. It's brilliant. Hello again. So today we're going for a walk. Yes. Oh, we're going walkies. Did I say the magic word? Should we go? Come on then. Let's go. And I'll show you where we go for our walks. It does.